Here we have a basic demo of Lotus Domino data being presented inside of a SharePoint page, and this data is then linked to another web part. So what you can see on the right here, where we have a list of bicycle parts, is all of that data comes from Domino server via an XML stream over HTTP. So the data is coming in live, so I can see all the information on my Domino server. But there's a few extras there, like for example, the column on the far right, cost times quantity, shows a value that's calculated. So that calculated field is happening here inside the SharePoint web part. This web part is a data view web part that's configured to point to the Domino source. Plus, we added additional calculated column there. Also notice that there's a column that has a couple bright red values in it, the 150 and the 193. Those values are also the result of a calculation or a conditional format. The conditional format says if the value of this quantity is less than the reorder level, then turn it red and make it bold. This is done with zero code, matter of point in configuring the column values. There's a column there for location, and notice that's a different color, and that's because those are links. Whenever I click on one of those values, the value of that row is then passed to the other web part on our left, the web part which is configured to show us information from SharePoint list of representatives. So these representatives by region are displayed there. So if I click on, for example, San Diego, what happens is the web part passes that value over to the other web part. That web part then sorts and filters just on San Diego. So I can see all the reps for San Diego. If I click now on Houston, I will see the reps for Houston. And then if I scroll down and click on Denver, I will see the reps for Denver. And there's more than one there. So this data is live Domino data, but it's linked to this other web part on this page. Plus, because it's inside of this data view web part, I can do nice things like filtering, like maybe I only want to see values from, let's say, Houston. And now I just see the Houston values. And I can sort by name, and I can sort and group by different values. So there's lots of things I can do with these web parts. So if you want to know how I do that, I'm going to create another short video and show you how that's done. But hopefully I've captured your interest. Thank you.